Want to know exactly what successful YouTubers are writing in their video descriptions? Stick around. I'm about to show you a tool that reveals it all in seconds. Have you ever come across a viral video and thought, what did they write in their description? What keywords are they using? How are they getting so many clicks and views? Well, normally you'd have to scroll through a ton of messy code, inspect elements, or hope the uploader didn't hide it. Not anymore. Introducing the YouTube Description Extractor, your ultimate shortcut to uncover any YouTube video's full description in just one click. Here's how easy it is. Step 1. Copy the URL of any YouTube video you want. Step 2. Paste it right here into the input box. Step 3. Click Extract Description. And boom! Instantly, you get the full text. Why does this matter? Descriptions are packed with SEO gold. Keywords, timestamps, affiliate links, important metadata that can influence ranking and viewer engagement. By seeing exactly what top creators are doing, you can find keyword ideas, structure better descriptions for your videos, optimize your SEO for better reach, discover hidden affiliate products, get inspiration for your own content strategy. It's not about copying, it's about learning, adapting, and growing faster. Quick tip: when you extract a description, don't just copy it, analyze it. Ask yourself, what kind of language are they using? Are they focusing on links, storytelling, or SEO heavy descriptions? Are they using hashtags or specific CTS calls to action? Use this intel to level up your own YouTube game. Ready to start optimizing smarter, not harder? Head over to the link below and try the YouTube Description Extractor for free. Your link here, https YouTube thumbnail download.org YouTube Description Extractor. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more creator tools, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help you grow. Thanks for watching. Now go unlock those hidden secrets and skyrocket your YouTube channel. See you in the next video.